Every minute in America, someone buys a Ford. Not a luxury supercar, not a futuristic startup EV, a Ford. And that raises a real question. Why does Ford still dominate the American car market after more than a century? The answer goes far beyond cars. It's about trust, identity, and survival. Ford didn't just sell vehicles, it built America's driving culture. From the legendary Model T to today's F-Series trucks, Ford became the brand of everyday people. Farmers, builders, workers, families. While other companies chased luxury and status, Ford focused on something different: durability, reliability. And that created something most brands can only dream of: generational trust. In many American families, Ford isn't just a choice, it's tradition. Now let's talk about the real reason Ford dominates the market: the Ford F-150. For over 4 decades, it has been the best-selling vehicle in the United States. Not just once, not occasionally, every single year. But this truck didn't become number one because of advertising. It became number one because it became a tool. Construction crews depend on it. Farmers rely on it. Electricians, contractors, small business owners all trust it with their livelihood. Because when a vehicle becomes part of your work, it stops being a luxury. It becomes essential. And Ford understood this better than anyone. The F-150 wasn't designed to impress you. It was designed to endure, to tow, to haul, to survive extreme conditions, and still start the next morning without hesitation. But Ford's success isn't only about toughness, it's also about scale. Ford mastered mass production in a way that changed the world. Even today, that advantage matters. Parts are easy to find. Repairs are affordable. Service centers exist almost everywhere in America. That means owning a Ford is not complicated. It's practical. And in the real world, practicality wins more than perfection. But there's another layer most people don't talk about. Ford is emotional. Driving a Ford in America represents something deeper. It represents hard work. It represents doing things with your own hands. It represents people who build, not just consume. That emotional identity is powerful because people don't just buy vehicles. They buy what those vehicles represent. And Ford represents America itself. But Ford is not stuck in the past. It is evolving. With vehicles like the Mustang Mach-E and the electric F-150 Lightning, Ford is stepping into the electric future. But even now, the philosophy stays the same: power, practicality, and reliability. Ford is not trying to be the most futuristic brand. It is trying to be the most useful. And that is exactly why it continues to win. So why is Ford still America's best-selling car brand? Because it never tried to be everything for everyone. It focused on the people who actually keep the country running. And when a brand becomes part of daily life, part of work, part of identity, it doesn't need hype. It becomes a habit. And habits are the hardest things to break.